So I made a bird feeder from a lovely video that was shared to me in one of my Facebook groups that I run, well, that I own. So I thought I would show you guys how I made it. So what I did was take a plate and a cup, and I glued the cup to the plate, and now I'm going to hang some string from it, and then I'm going to hang it from a tree and put bird seed in it. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so we went ahead and put the string on this, and now I'm going to go tie it to the tree. So we hung this from the tree. Now I just got to go add some bird seed. So I probably added too much bird seed. However, it still looks cute. It still does its job. If it had only stopped turning. So I'm going to hopefully get a few more of these and then finish up the yard with it.